This is oil change. God knows what number. Got my gear from Hyper Tough with the what's it called? What's the Fram synthetic. The P731. You can see my ratchet right there. My 2011 Honda Fit. That's the filter you're gonna take off. Back to the bolt real quick. Let's see if you can see my hand there. Finger tight. Shout out to my boy Reyes, beast of a Puerto Rican mechanic. I'm getting oil on my fingers. So now that that's nice and snug by hand, now I'm gonna grab my ratchet. Tighten it up just a little bit. Not too tight. So now I'm gonna break it. Wipe that off a little bit. Just double check to see how tight it is. My bad if the camera was off of it. Yeah, that's tight. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can crack this by hand. Yeah, no, never mind. Alright. I'm gonna have to do this. Oh shit. It's supposed to go that way to come off. I could maybe crack that by hand and do it in one shot. I'm gonna give it a go right now. Cause let me see. I gotta go that way with the wrench. So I have to go that way with the wrench. That means I have to go this way. Let's loosen that up. Yep. That's getting loose. And this is just an oil change. That's it. There's no need to be acting up on the streets for no reason. We're stupid shit. God knows why people are acting up all weird on the streets when they're driving belligerently, erratically. It's a lot of oil coming out.